Well, I tell you what, I'm in the mood for a little after dinner snack. We're gonna try to make some popcorn. Making popcorn over the fire is so easy. Just put a little oil in the bottom of the pan, throw in a test kernel. As soon as that test kernel pops, then add the rest of the corn and just listen to it. And once the popping slows down, or if you start to smell something burning, pull it off. Throw a little salt in there and you're golden. Well, I'll tell you what, I've worked up a bit of an appetite and I'm excited for dinner. I've got shish kebabs and couscous. Having both of these stoves going in here is heating things up a little bit. All right, we got chunks of seasoned chicken wrapped in bacon. Laid us on our little grill here. Woo, bacon fire. That's looking good. Bacon wrapped chicken shish kebabs and couscous. Little chunks of chicken wrapped in bacon. Oh, that is hard to beat. Well, the sweet potato is almost done, so I think it's time to start cooking the main course. King crab legs. Look at these things. Check out, this is just one king crab leg. It's over 2 feet long. Look how thick that is too. So much meat on these things. They're so delicious. Nice thing about crab legs, they're always pre-cooked. So all you gotta do is just heat them up and eat them. And take my pot holder. Look at this massive joint. That is a solid piece of meat right there. Dip that in the rosemary garlic butter. Oh, that is so good. So much meat on these crabs. That one knuckle was like a whole lobster tail. All right, for dinner tonight, I'm making a traditional Swiss camping food, fondue. Traditional fondue is pretty simple. You melt a bunch of shredded cheese over a low heat, you add a splash of white wine, and then you dip whatever you want in it. Traditionally bread and potatoes and meat and stuff like that. Some cheeses work better than others. Fontina, Gouda, Gruyere are really good fondue cheeses. So I took a little bit of each and mixed it together. Now, I'm not much of a wine drinker, so I just use white vinegar or white wine vinegar, and you get the same results. These little hot tent stoves actually work really well for making fondue because they're a nice temperature. Just want to add a little bit of cheese at a time. Don't throw it all in at once. I've got some veggies and meat I want to put in the fondue, and I'm just gonna stack these up on the stove and let them warm up. Nice. Look at this, Jacob. Oh. Whoa. You want some broccoli? Look at that. Here, why don't you hold it like this? It's nice and toasty. Here's you bring here. Oh, that's so good. All right, we're gonna put that right on the coals. Just like the bread, the coals are gonna stick to it while it's rare, and once it's cooked, the coals will fall off. little cheese-filled biscuit cooked in the ash right there. Oh, check out the melted Gouda in there. That is so good. Oh, those are good beans. It's got so much pork jowls in there and the brown sugar. These are good beans. Oh, that is delicious steak.